Mami ma akwaba emfa obra Ghana and TVGH. Mesra like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification and so that anytime I post a video, say I was Kebi. It was something that was long overdue. Say, you see, say I said 2029. One of the biggest projects, infrastructural project that is going to happen a year, the expansion of Nsawam prison. I know they say Dr. Mamudu Bamian Pekra, you better raise the funds. Now, many of they would add their monies to this for us to expand Nsawam prison. Yes, especially the male side, no. You better expand, no, because there are a lot of people who are going to go inside there. A lot of the appointees of this current Abaya. The Bank of Ghana governor, no, Eddie Assembly Babonti say, Omo finance Sammy Gyamfi's gold board nibio. Now they have their own explanations to it. And as you might know by now, government radio, one of the things that they have really, really invested into PR. And so when they come and tell you, say, Ade bi wo ho a omo finance biom no, they'll find one way or two to try to confuse you, to tell you, say, oh, enye anything about say ni say. But the credit say, when you look at the books, you look at what is being reported, and you look at the fact, say, obi timi tosika koko ekoboka, then you know the danger is coming. And the more and more you keep financing this danger, and the more the years that you might possibly spend in prison when MPP comes to power. And the best thing to do in your own interest is to discontinue financing of whatever it is you are currently financing. Because IMF draw the attention of all of us to the fact that last year, from September, on my way to Mitos Kakoko Boka, Sammy Gyamfi's gold board, no. Sammy Gyamfi. Yeko ka na muse mayen kebi. Yeko ka na muchie. But you have forgotten that, look, crime has no expiry date. When I yeka de bia, me, I sometimes I'm surprised at the kind of heart I know no more in this year. Because if there is one thing they must know for sure, and they say trouble is coming, and that trouble very soon. Just about 2 years, 6 months left. Because they are going to hand over in January 2029. So trouble is looming. Hey, and basu de chale fekeke. So Bank of Ghana, better late than never. That notwithstanding, sika mo dia finances Sammy Gyamfi's gold board no. You will account for every city. May account it. And we will hold you to account. That one day, Muti Amunjidi, believe me when I say that we will hold you to account.
Omunim home at and to be able to be me see young kwasem no de yen fa ne kakra bi because according to ruling by ha kakra yi and asem ni na enipa na odi adanse ma state no is anipa ne yakoche no wuntumi asase ne so ye tie no ne de fa so koche chama wuntumi because e wuntumi asase ne yakoche de answer chama wuntumi na ema anipa no akonya so nkoye sa agalam say no tie ne ye state ne de ne bae anu obeka tese ye pese wo di adanse e de tie chama wuntumi wo yen sai wo count ni nyina ye de be chew enipa ne si yo mate media adanse okoti okoka ne sam eye ne nioma there was a cross examination ne course one ye busa ne sai wuntumi na di asase na wo se pen what the man say fire then was or the man say me call reclaim asase no na ye dan na bia kube wo so na ukwu asase so die nti na wan ko reclaim yanko dua ko be na de ko ye galamse wose wontumi ama miska tio wontumi ama miska ti na mbese me ye gala ni me diska no I reclaim asase no according to him. Okay, so udi gala ni wi anu reclaim dia ma me musa one question any was it any documentation utena se a woni wontumi esensan ya na won sasase na wontumi enso sasase bia na was it there be there wasn't any documentation yeti odansini be na wo mu bi odansini bi anim woni me mienu ti Ghana ha woni mu say ensem bi sese ka the court na woni hardcore evidence a baseless a bogus and a without merit but state in say ubetimi di asem wa court na de wano aka ne keke and evidence bi enka ho mirahu and you want to be 20 years in ama mirahu but mirahu am man no mirahu e di ama Ghana man na se sei na ekono na sei na be kono dia eni obi a wono no di na asase am obi so on reclaim obi akoso akodi galamse ami akse no yetimi ti asase wura no di ni tum jeri ni 20 years dia eni Ghana fo muntie ni ye eni obi so it's alleged say it's alleged say yedi concession amano yedi minds a whole mind edi amano na kwa fast yedi man no yes documentation no one sense and there is an issue to that extent say yes we am reverse ya de an sanfan koma the owners of some minds and yes forgery be one baby documentation there is an issue there and yes any panel so and yes any panel bet me them 100 years old. Say ni panel bet me them 100 years old. Okay, me that's the voice was hard to me say baby I me kona bra mramuna me ne bra ni nkobo kakra na me say de ani o mate you say de ani o mate ade ba kwa ye ma hore ku asasem we mu say enne the voice enne na wuntumi lawyers aye letter krata e dia kwakoma judge e kate gas a judge should hold on because there is a certain applications and a certain one or two things we am beso omo ye ho adwuma ansa no on hold it on nanka omo sere pa that just on to enne we no ense da judge show masa ye bogus mo tuntwene baby mo tuntwene baby na me fa me ruling bra hey I want the voice mo na akọ school eja wo mo na eja brofo no mo nim kenkan e na mo te ase enti e bia na ye de emura e na ye mo kwan no mo cheche
Abusia, so this useless NDC government chairman wuntumi omo che no mo freeze in a bank account and na asset nyina e twe na bo so de ne kogina court and omo agele ne 20 years no. Could you believe say charges omo de bo chairman wuntumi no na omo agina so de agele ne no. There was no way omo can say chairman wuntumi ono ankasa no ye illegal mining and or ye galamsey. Yes, take it from me. Me who said this useless NDC government no omo surrogate e tun futuro gu Ghana fo ani e say chairman wuntumi omo agele ne because no ye galamsey sa asem na nya no crap. And ye rather sem no kure bia ni ma propaganda. Osha document NDC fo yi ediko pie court. Any evidence omo adinsu before court no. Any witnesses aban ne frɛ no. Emo mo bedi adanse ma aban na there was nowhere omo kan say chairman wuntumi ono ankasa no ye galamsey ana say illegal mining. Na me do ba be concept mu. Me ba be bie nsɛm no so akyerɛw. Na wo be hu adwene bɔne e wo sa ankrofo we tirim. How are politically no mo peso mo jeli chairman wuntumi am omo hijack judiciary system no omo tintim mmara na manipulate mmara no e de ajeli chairman wuntumi enti ya botre na hwe video no men kosi like na share na afoforo nso nya bi nhwe very important now yen konsem ni mu o hwe court documents na charges NDC aban de bo chairman wuntumi mienu na edi kan omo say assignment of mineral rights without ministerial approval. Say chairman wuntumi no minerals rights and or the movie one year approval and free minister ho almost say no ye bone count one or the born near tosum you know almost say purposely facilitating an unlicensed mining operation, contrary to Section 99(2)(b) of the Minerals and Mining Act 2006, Act 703, as amended by the Minerals and Mining Act 2009, Act 995. Enti meba be chirichiro mu factor NDC aban adisu before court no. Omo say chema wuntumi ana ye owner of Akonta mines. Na Akonta mines no omo wo mining right e wo Samra boy omo wo concession bi go honom. Na sa concession no omo assign that mining right no e de mu bi a ye frɛ ne Henry Okum. Muntieni yo omo anka se chema wuntumi Samra boy ho na oye mining no na oni to me krata and also oni license. That is not what they said though. Omo ankasa. Omo se chema wuntumi ne company Akonta mine. Na wo mining rights ya mo license so omo mining e wo Samra boy honom. Inti chema wuntumi na enye galamsey na oye. Na emom omo se chema wuntumi e de sa mining right no e ma obi a ye frɛ ne Henry Okum. Enso ono so enye eye mining e wo sansa ase ne so. Na before so ode eye mining right ne be ma Henry Okum no nke so okodi approval from eye the then Minister for Lands and Natural Resource eho ba wankwa ankoje. Na saa de na oye ye nti ama saa Henry Okum no I engage in illegal mining. Nti that is the factor NDC aban adiusu ye before the court of competent jurisdiction. Now NDC for ne fresh several witnesses. So mo be di adansi kurumu ntia chema wuntumi. Na nipa ba ko mo frɛ na ne testimony stand out expose even NDC for no omo case omo de koye na so court na bu nani agusu a wajeli chema wuntumi nipa na friend Henry Jedu no omo busa ne say wo say chema wuntumi ana de asase ne ma Henry Okum ese onye illegal mining wo so wo ho adanse o se da bi o so ono ankasa kra no chema wuntumi no wamfa na ni ehunu wa asase ne so mpoda ana chema wuntumi nso kra amba hoda ebra omo be ransake asase ne be cheche excavator ne ase na chema wuntumi eni honom. Now Henry Okum na chema wuntumi e de asase ne ma no ono so kra be kan say chema wuntumi amfa asase na amane say ombetu galamsey wo so ana so ombe ye mining wo so o de man say on reclaim sa ensase no. But sa nsem we nyina court no ehunu sa nsem we nyina ye present all this evidence before the court. Then so because say NDC for omo person omo jeli chema wuntumi because say we did President Mahama atem we did President Mahama ira atem wa kan nsem bia enyo omo de chema wuntumi atete omo wa Ashanti region pen enti omo tintim mmra no a hijack judicial service no ajeli chema wuntumi. Now you see NDC for no mo amoye mining mo ye legal mining ni illegal mining nyina mo hunu say we a bad precedence for you. The MPP beba power no mon kan hunu say same memra same judicial service. We will come after all of you one after the other, and we will make sure that we will jail all of you. Like I always say, we MPP ni ne duru ona oba be ye na for 7